Hello friends, welcome back. I am Nitu and this is my new video all about pencils. When people buy new kit or any new medium, they don't know where to start. I will recommend just take it and play around with all the stuff. Just take it out and scribble and make a mess on the paper, being like a kid, or treat it like your own new toy. Before I start taking all the stuff out, I will like to discuss a little detail, the basics actually. We all know what other pencils stand for, but sometimes we miss the basic detail. If somebody asks me, oh, what do you mean by HP? What's H stand for? What B stand for? So I want to explain these things. First, the core is made of two components. Those are granite and clay. The feel of the pencil when we write something and the mark it on the paper. I just grabbed two pencils. This is 5H and this is 8P. And I just write my name. This is Nitu. I write this with 8P. And this is 5H. Nitu. Do you see the difference? As you see here, I use these two pencils. This is 8P. In this pencil, there is more granite and it is darker and softer. And here in 5H, there is more clay. This is harder and lighter. To distinguish harder and softer pencils, pencil manufactured rank pencil scale. There are two grading systems for pencil. One is American and second is European. The American grading system is numerical and it's go from 1 to 4. While European system use letter H and B to note how hard and the soft the pencil is. Good things to remember. An A grade means the core has more clay and it will make the lighter and fine lines. And it will be less smudgier than the dark pencil. And here the B grades means the core has more granite and it will make a bolder and darker line. And also it will be a little smudgier than the lighter one. Now we start using these pencils. This is 2H. This is 3H. This is 4H. I'm using all H series here. And this is 5H. Now we are done with all the H pencils. Now we are starting with the B series. I'm using the same pressure for all the pencils. This is B. This is 2B. 3B. 4B. You can see that as the number was increasing, the more granite and the more bolder and darker lines are there. And this is 5B. This is 6B. And this is the last 8B. Now as you see in H, the core has more clay and the lines are more lighter and fine and is less smudgy. And here in the B, They are more granite, as you see in all these, and it's more darker and bolder and little smudgier than the lighter one. In the end, we are discussing HB. HB is came between this series, H and B. It's a combined HB, and this is the most common pencil used in the classrooms, house, offices. And what make it stand different from other pencil? There is a 50-50 amount of softness and hardness in the lead core, and it just give you a normal middle effect. Now move on to the next pencil. This is solid granite pencil, also known as a woodless pencil, are often used for art and drawing. While a standard pencil has a thick core of granite inside wooden body, but a solid granite pencil does not have the wood. It just used like this. This whole area from this to this point. You see this. It does not have any wood. Now next three pencils are called charcoal pencils. This is soft, medium and hard. The charcoal pencils are the fastest drawing medium you will use, and you can create any really strong image. And as I will show you, this is the soft one. You can see how dark, how black is this. This is soft charcoal. By using these charcoal pencils, you can create any image in a very less time. This is medium. And this is hard. Now as you see, the soft charcoal is more darker, medium, it just give you a medium charcoal effect, and the hard one is lighter. The next thing we get in the kit is this knife we use for the pencils. I will put it back. The next thing is pencil extender. While we're using our pencils gets really shorter, we can use this tool. Now these three things is called blending stamps, and we use these to blend these two are the erasers. This is charcoal eraser, as you see, and in this kit we are taking out these three. These three are granite sticks. We can just use during when you are making any drawing. They are also come in three: darker, soft and medium. They are really useful during the drawing when you have to work faster. These three are charcoal sticks. It's also softer, medium and darker. We use during the drawings. Let's check it out, this thing. This is called sandpaper pointer. We use this when we have to create the point of the pencil. We have to just make the sharp pencils. Even we use this to create the sand. If when we have to draw something at some point, we just sand it, and we use these stamps to make this. You see how it's the effect created? In this kit, we also got these two sharpeners. This sharpener is used for charcoal pencils, and this is normal sharpener with two holes. We can use all for the rest of the pencils. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. In my next video, we will learn how to draw a cup with pencil shading.